That's good.
For us, we get VIP tickets.
Yeah.
What's your name? James. Also James?
James.
James yung hotspot?
James, not young husband.
Okay, ano right for me?
But I gotta video.
Yeah.
What's your name, James?
What's your name?
Mary.
So you're married?
Joseph.
Yes, I'm married. I'm happily married.
So your name is
See
Mary.
you.
Yeah.
Take care of it, my friend.
I will put it
James.
on Facebook.
Where are you from? Alonte.
From Manila.
Alonte.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And
No,
then,
actually, Caloocan.
what's your name?
Aloma.
Caloocan.
Akel.
Axel.
Axel.
Angel. Aquino. Gerardo.
Isa Calderon.
Isang?
Vista.
Vista.
L-I-S-A-C-A. What's for free? E-A.